without being stopped in traffic. What I'd like to do is check my mirrors, see who's around me, see who is focusing, who's not paying attention. Are there big trucks beside me? Is there a person in a smaller import? Is there a Tesla near me? What type of cars are around me and what are their capabilities? When your light turns green, you need to look left and right. Don't be the first one just to jump the light, because cars run lights, and we've seen many T-bone collisions, broadside collisions, because drivers are so careless in such a hurry in the morning. So we want to learn to keep good speed and keep good space. It's really hard for beginning drivers because they just don't have the experience to draw upon. I have to get over to the right, so I'm going to get over, look over my shoulder, and squeeze my brakes. And I'm using the ball of my foot, and I'm going in really slow. They are so crowded here. So I'm making a decision. I guess I'm going to have to join, and I'm going to squeeze my brake, yield for her. Pedestrians always have the right of way. And you want to be a courteous driver, giving them space so no one's inside. So what I'm going to do is go inside. And I'm going to pull up here and park. I'm covering my brake. I'm going to go up and squeeze my brake. You have to use parking maneuvers. You need to know how to park. It is an important skill, and a lot of beginners just don't want to work. They just don't want to get up and park and learn how to park. How do I know? I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults. I teach teens. So we're going to put a foot on the brake, deactivate it, and then step out of the vehicle. Hey, you want to use your right hand, but I'm parked because you're going to do the Dutch reach. And I'm looking at cars. I want to make sure I have eye contact. That's that electric Equinox. It's pretty cool, man. So I'm going to make eye contact with drivers. Always make eye contact with drivers. I'll wave in it and then we'll walk across. It's cold out here. I'm going to dress for the conditions in case your car breaks down. Real talk. So you see me dressed for the conditions. Really important. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?